Learning target 122 asks us to evaluate an expression with grouping symbols using order of operations. So in number 17, we've got two sets of grouping symbols, and whenever that's the case, we want to attack the grouping symbols that are innermost first. So inside the brackets, we have the parentheses. So we're going to evaluate the parentheses first. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So rewriting, we've got 3/4 bracket. Of course, the implied operation there would be multiplication. We've still got the 13 minus. We figured out in the parentheses we had 5. We'll close the bracket. And then outside the bracket, we have squared. Now, we still have to follow GEMDAS. We've got another grouping symbol. We have to evaluate 13 minus 5 in the grouping symbol. So we've got the 3/4 outside. Inside this grouping symbol, 13 minus 5, that gives me 8. And then I'm supposed to square whatever that gave me. So I've got 8 squared. Before I can multiply, in GEMDAS, we've got exponents. So 8 squared gives me 64. It's not 8 times 2. It's 2 factors of 8, so 8 times 8. So we're going to take 3/4 of 64, 3/4 times 64, which comes out to be 48. And then one more example, except with powers this time. The division bar, the fraction bar, acts like a grouping symbol. It creates a group of things on top, it creates a group of things on bottom, and at the very end we'll divide. Let's focus on the top. I'll put that in red. So we've got k squared minus 1 when k is 5. We're going to substitute 5 for k right there. And we're going to substitute 5 for k right there. In the top, we get 5 squared minus 1. In the bottom, we've got 5 plus 3. Focusing on top, 5 squared, that's 25. And then we still have that minus 1. In the denominator, 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Now, finish up the numerator, 25 minus 1, that gives us 24. In the denominator, we had 8, and 24 divided by 8 is 3.